Nasaan ang mga journalism students? Taas ng kamay. Ayan.
We're really very grateful for PCIJ for bringing this campus caravan in PUP. Other than lessons in the classroom, fora and training organized by media organizations, especially like PCIJ, are avenues of invaluable learning for our students.
We like to come here because you welcome us very warmly. And if you like it, I'm sure Weng, the training team, will like to come back para sa IJ Caravan Series.
In the Philippines, we're currently implementing a 5-year program called the Initiative for Media Freedom, or IMF for short. On all three fronts, journalism educators and their students have a central role to play. So that's why it's great to be here today.
How do we determine the price of rice? So for me, the biggest question that I ask myself is, why is rice expensive? We trace the rice retail value chain. So if you look at kung ano yung value chain of rice, whether that's the UN or the definition, they will always tell you three things: farm gate, wholesale, and retail.
Ayun po talaga yung parang interesado kaming malaman since parang lagi tayong nakabase sa mga data. Hindi natin napapakinggan kung ano nga ba talaga yung perspektibo nila.
Yung karamihan ng tama ng victims ay very close range. Paano mo malaman na close range? Because may parang tattooing doon sa body o sa head. Ano yung tattooing? Gunpowder burns doon sa katawan ng tao. Sabihin nun, binaril ng malapit. But when Senator Sonny Trillanes filed the case in the ICC, biglang nagsara yung bilipo. There were no more information.
That's why we all say, when we talk about the right to information, we always say that, yes, you're all entitled to your own opinions. And as much as we value freedom of information, we hope that the expression of these opinions that we form are all anchored on information. You're entitled to your own opinion, but not your own facts. And how do we get facts? We in the Right to Know Right Now information believe that misinformation is a pandemic. Yes. But perhaps the cure is access to information and freedom of information.
How can us journalists or even yung students and the general public help push for the FOI law?
Our second question, bakit kailangan ng mga estudyante ng access to information? So as early as now, it's really crucial to amplify that call for genuine access to information for us to be informed and for us to flourish as a whole nation.
Maganda talaga tingnan yung stories na nilalabas, not just the stories themselves, but also how the stories were created, no? How they were drafted, what were the steps behind taken by the journalists in order to produce those kind of stories. So this is not just for us to talk about what we do, but this is for us to work together so that we create the kind of society that allows the people to be informed and build a democratic society.